Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to fill a shape with color in Canva. So to fill in a shape here in Canva with color, it's pretty simple. So we're here in our Canva and we have our preset or our template. So as you can see here, I'm in my graphics and my elements, so we have to search shape. So for example, we have this shape right here, which I have dragged right here. So perhaps we wanna change the color of this so it looks like a coaster for our cup. So when we wanna change the color, we just go here in the top left corner of our toolbar, just beside shape. So if we want to make it look more natural and more browny, since it's a coaster for our cup, we have our color palette here and we can always change our colors. So remember, you just have to go here and then just look for the color that you desire. So basically there you go. That is how you change your color here in Canva for your shapes. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.